Cub Cadet wanted me to show you guys their new Ultima zero-turn lawnmower, and it looks pretty cool. I saw it at GIE, but you know, it's kind of hard to show you the stuff at GIE because there's just so many things everywhere. So really, they thought it would be best just to send me one. All right, so obviously my yard is pretty small, so this thing is super overkill for my size yard. Now don't get me wrong, in the springtime I will use it a few times, and I'm going to time how long it takes to mow my yard with it. But the plan is to bring it to a friend's house who's got a large lawn. I've had a lot of people ask me about large lawns, and so I want to do a whole series, you know, how to use zero turns, all that stuff. But let's get a closer look. Now, what's cool about this is this is a homeowner version, but it's built, I would call it like prosumer. Like it's very well built, but it's designed for homeowners. So you know, it's very comfortable. It's got some cool features. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this. Now, obviously, it's winter time here now, so I mean, I come out here and sit and hang out for a little bit, but I mean, I can't really do anything in the yard right now. But let's see some cool features about it. Well, first of all, the deck size. It's a 58-inch deck on this one. You can get in a couple different sizes. All right, what I really like right here is the height setting. You can just adjust it down to an inch, and it's just as simple as changing this, releasing the lever. Here's the lever here to raise it and lower it. These guys to drive, you put them like this and then steer. I'll do some more like in-depth videos on how to actually use them, but I'm just showing you how simple this stuff is. Controls here. It's got an hour meter. This is for the deck. So electronic start, the choke, throttle, cup holder with room. I'd say you could easily fit more stuff there. But I mean, look at this thing. This thing is built. I think the only plastic on this is this little panel here. The rest, it's metal, 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 all around metal. You know, that's just to make it look pretty, having the plastic on it. But this thing is very well built, and I mean, I didn't get to play with it too much, but it was a lot easier. I've used the zero turn before, but not like, you know, very often. But it's felt very easy to play with this. Something else that I like. Now, I'll admit, I'm not an engine person, so I don't know a lot of details, but I know that the Kawasaki ones are really nice, and it's got one of these babies on it. Now, I will, you know, learn more about this and give you guys feedback, but I mean, look at this. Look how this thing is super well built. It's awesome. So there you have it. Now, it just released, I want to say December 10th, and I'll link to their website with all the details. Now, I'm gonna have to play with it more in the spring and show you guys the real cool stuff about it, but I'm impressed. Oh, headlights. So at first I thought, well, what's the deal with headlights? That's just a gimmick, right? Well, I drove this thing around at night, and man, that's fun. So I will be mowing my lawn at night at some point, and of course doing a video of it. So, oh, and another cool feature, it's got the tool right here. So if you need to get in, do anything. I will say this summer when I was doing landscaping with a buddy, he took off the mower, the cable came off of the spindles, and you had to get access to it. I didn't have a tool for it, so it was a pretty big pain to have to deal with. But the fact that they got the tool right there, So if you do ever need to use it, so I think no, this is a twist adjust. Never mind. I was gonna say I think you need it for that, but you don't even need a tool for that. But oh, maybe it's this guy. I gotta read the manual. I'll get into the nitty gritty in the springtime when I can use it and show you the differences. But I'm excited. So there you go. If you have any questions, please post them. I'll see if I can get answers for you or direct you to where you can get answers. And then I'll try to, make sure I include any of those questions in the springtime when I do the video. But this is cool. This is going to start a whole new series on big lawns, which I'm excited about. So got some other cool stuff coming, little winter stuff, but I mean in general you're not going to see much of me until springtime. There's just not much going on. So yep, this came a couple days before my birthday, so this has been my excitement. But boom, oh, this is another neat feature. If you need to get in there, the seat goes all the way forward. You can see here you can adjust the seat positioning. Big gas tank. So this isn't the tank, that's the tank. This is just to, make it look nice. So, and then something else they pointed out, you can keep the blades on when you're backing up. A lot of consumer products, riding mowers, etc., when you back up, it turns the blades off, which can be a pain when you're trying to navigate around different things. But with this guy here, it stays on for you, so pretty cool. And then I just noticed this. Let's get the hose doohickey so you can clean under the deck. Yeah, it's a thick. So the deck underneath goes in about this much. Now obviously it's not that thick middle, but it's a flap. That must be for for the aerodynamics. And then it's got extra metal here for when you inevitably hit stuff. So that's pretty cool. I don't recommend you hit stuff, but it's gonna happen, especially because this is the side that you're gonna go along edges with, because you're blowing the stuff that way. So you're gonna come up here, and most likely you're gonna hit something over time. So that's neat. Yeah. Every time I come out and check it out, there's something else that I noticed about it. It's pretty cool. I can tell it's very well thought out. And when I went to GIE and I was looking at their bigger commercial mowers, you can tell that Cub Cadet is really thinking about how they do stuff. And it was just neat to see all that in person. So thanks, Cub Cadet, for sending this. I really can't wait to get mowing with it. I'm hoping that my friend's yard is big, because then I get to spend more time on it. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.